ChatGPT just released a few of their plugins and web browsing capabilities. So for those of you that are ChatGPT Plus members, I'll show you how this works and some of the stuff that I like to do from a government perspective. So first, to get to where the plugins are, you go down here, ellipsis button right there, go to settings, and then go to beta features. You can turn this on and off, right? So same thing with the plugins, you can turn that on and off. We'll turn this on right here. Close out of here, go over to our new chat. We're now going to be in ChatGPT-4. Come down here. You can only do one or the other, so only the plugins or the browsing. So for right now, we'll keep on browsing, which will pull in live data, and we'll do this here is write a post on in the last, let's say, write a LinkedIn post on 2 city managers who were fired in the last month. So what it's going to do here is it's going to browse the web, and it'll try to find some articles in the past month of 2 city managers who were fired. Looking at May 2023, it looks like. Searching on it, clicking the link, and we can see right here what link it's clicked on. So if we want to, we can also hit this button right here, and it'll take us over to here. So Hutchinson City Manager fired. Looks like this is Kendall Francis. I'm trying to figure what city, what looks like, trying to figure out what area this is at in terms of what state. So go back over here to this, reading the content it's thinking. It can take some time to do this. It can take a little bit of effort in the back for the web browser. So it's reading some content here, thinking again, kind of going through the article and pulling the information out of the article. I was having difficulty with it before because before it wasn't allowing me to really, when I gave it 2 articles, I was having some issues with it. So let me see if it was going to work this time. Not sure if it'll fully go through, but worth an effort and worth a chance to kind of show what this web browsing tool can do. Folks have used this also for analyzing their SEO performance on websites. So if you're a city government and want to have a better Google presence, or if you're advertising a certain event, maybe an event page or something like that, you could have it look at your website using this tool and then also give you some ideas in terms of being able to generate Google traffic to your site, which could be pretty helpful. Oh, there's another link right there. Let's pull this guy up and see what it looks like. Scatter Wednesday thunderstorms. That's not the article. Okay, so Merkel City Council terminated following special city council meeting. This is in Merkel, Texas. There's a little article here. You can go back over here. And there you go. Here's your article coming through. Hutchinson. So it didn't tell me that what city it was, so I'm not sure what state rather Hutchinson is in. I'm sure you could Google that and find out more of who that was or what the situation there. You can see even too, see the 1, 2, 3, 4, those are links to the different articles here, and I'll pull that up here in a second after I just finish reading the one for Merkel, Texas. Looks like both were kind of involved in similar situations, things you don't want to be involved in at all, for sure, to protect the integrity of the city management and city executive profession, or just really any profession, period, as a human being. Don't do that kind of thing. So there you go. Hold yourselves accountable, create workplace and embody the values of respect and equality, blah, 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 blah. Right, there you go. So there's your LinkedIn article that grabs that, and we can look at these different sites. There's that one. Same one. Looks like they're kind of using the same site. I don't, let me see if they have, okay, they're all using the same one. I'm just curious if they pulled anything else. I don't think they did. So looks like those are the two articles that were clicked on. And so there you go. There's your quick article on city manager firings in the last month. You could do the same thing too for hirings or any other thing you want to do in terms of news. I like using this a lot on, say, a Monday morning, coming to the city, give me a roll up of city news for my area, right? Or whatever kind of special interest I might be interested in, right? About AI or maybe public safety or that I'm just different topics you might find of interest to you. This is a great way to kind of summarize those articles instead of having to click on each single one. They can have ChatGPT go out and read it for you, provide the summary, and there you go.